何？
Hello everybody, and welcome back to Warehouse 18. Now, unless you've been living under a rock, you've either heard of or played the game Among Us. And me and my friends are no different. We've been playing this game constantly, we've been loving every second of it. Recently, I acquired a 3D printer, specifically a Dremel 3D20 printer, and I've been absolutely having a great time messing around with this thing and just making a bunch of stuff. So I decided, why don't I, as a little practice of getting back into CAD and all that stuff, try and create one of the characters from Among Us. And that's what I did. The actual process of creating the character in CAD took me about an hour and a half, and the print time for the character, which was on standard printing for this specific printer, took me about an hour and a half as well. So all in all, really quite a fast project. And of course, there was some stuff in between that I was planning and all this stuff, so it took a little bit longer than that. But it was basically done in a day, and it was a lot of fun to do. I know this was a quick one, but I've got some other 3D printing ideas that I'm definitely going to be working on. If you're into the 3D printing stuff, then let me know. Any questions, comments, concerns, I'd love to hear them. And as always, thank you for watching.